Inflation is one of the biggest threats to retirement savings today. If you're relying on traditional savings methods like cash or bonds, you're at risk of watching your hard-earned wealth lose value, and that can have a serious impact on your future. The scary truth is, inflation is eating away at the purchasing power of your savings year after year. But the good news is, there are ways to hedge against inflation, and I'm here to show you how. Now you might be wondering, what can I do to protect my retirement savings from inflation? It's a valid question, and in this video, I'll share what's been working for thousands of American retirees just like you. If you're serious about securing your retirement in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. It's a step-by-step resource that explains how investing in gold can safeguard your wealth from inflation and market volatility. This is critical information you won't want to miss. Now let's get into the details. Inflation erodes the value of cash, and many Americans are realizing that their savings are barely keeping up with rising costs. Things like healthcare, groceries, and gas, essentials that we rely on daily, are becoming more expensive. So, even if your savings are growing, they're not keeping up with what you need to live comfortably in retirement. The traditional investment options, like stocks and bonds, are often tied to the same market forces that cause inflation. In fact, they can suffer during inflationary periods, especially if interest rates rise in response. Bonds, for example, lose value as interest rates increase, which makes them a poor hedge against inflation. That's why I recommend gold IRAs as the most effective way to hedge against inflation. Unlike traditional savings methods, gold tends to increase in value during times of economic uncertainty. Historically, gold has preserved wealth through inflationary periods, and it's one of the few assets that can protect your purchasing power while maintaining stability. You might be thinking, but how do I even get started with a gold IRA? It's easier than you might think. With a gold IRA, you can add physical gold to your retirement portfolio, helping you protect your wealth for the long term. If you're interested in learning exactly how to set one up, be sure to check out the free guide in the description. Another advantage of a gold IRA is that it's backed by tangible assets. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold doesn't rely on a company or government entity to maintain its value. It's a physical asset that you can hold on to, which makes it more secure in times of economic turmoil. But here's the catch. You need to take action now. The longer you wait, the more your savings are exposed to the risks of inflation. If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, or even 5 mailers or more in savings, you owe it to yourself to consider diversifying with gold. The sooner you act, the better your chances of protecting your wealth against inflation. So, if you're looking for the best way to protect your savings from inflation, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already taking steps to protect their wealth with gold IRAs, and now it's your turn. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, gold IRAs are the most reliable option to safeguard your wealth from inflation. If you have more than $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings, the next step is simple. Get your free gold IRA guide and start securing your future today.